Yeah, guys, it's so I made it through the breakfast this year.
Yeah.
Proud of myself. I wasn't able to do my makeup because I woke up and I was like, okay, what's the most important, makeup or hair first? Hair. Let the face breathe, yeah. Permission. Hello. I haven't seen you guys in a minute.
Yeah, just look at me.
No, it's getting so big. He said, just look at me. I haven't seen you in a minute. Yeah, just look at me.
Yeah, just
keep staring at me.
It's bread.
Bread, egg, and chicken.
Not bread.
It's the hunger, guys. I'm gonna eat and then we'll see what happens after. Hola! Oh, you're so pretty. So Miriam is gonna film me today. Shit,
I'm drunk as fuck, but okay.
Yeah, me too. I'm starting to feel it. Okay. Hey guys, we're about to go on the boat on the yacht. Yes, on the yacht.
Yalla, see all these people. This is a celebration.
Honestly though, I'm not drunk. We paid 550 kroners, which is about $56 or $55 to get on this boat and to have access to a party. So the question is how good is it worth it?
Is it worth it?
Is it worth it?
It's not.
Did you pay that much money to get on this boat?
We shall see.
Yeah.
Hey.
Let's get it comfortable on up in this dancery. Got your hope and now you so you got to get with me. Don't need no hateration. In this dancery, let's get it twerking. So let's come on, baby.
Guys, it was lit on the boat. It was lit. I wasn't lit before I got on, but now I'm lit.
I'm drunk as well.
She's over the boat, over the board. But it's so fun, you guys can see. He's telling you guys, follow them on Instagram. It was a vibe. I think it's more fun when you come with your friends that know how to bust it down.
Whatever she said.
Your friends that know how to turn it up.
Period.
It's a different vibe.
That's what she said.
I love him. I love you so much.
Period. We out here.
I love you, Max.
Period. I love you, Maggie. You know that.
I do.
See me and my bad girl Meg over here.
We're living.
Serving looks. Bitch, we eat. What problems again?
No problem.
No problem.
No problem.
I'm sorry. No problems.
No
problem. They gone. They not here. Matter of fact.
Cause we ate.
We ate. Girl, we did not only eat.
We ate.
We served. Bitch, dinner is served.
And that's on.
Period.
I want to join that.
And that's on. Period. It was a vibe, guys. I recommend you coming to the boat party with your friends. Because it was good music, but you need to have your friends to enjoy, I feel like. So now we're gonna go to the after party and see how that goes. I'm a bit tipsy, I'm not gonna lie. But this is the reality of being 18 plus. We go out, we have fun, we enjoy ourselves, and we feel tipsy. It is what it is. Hey guys, I look terrible, completely horrible. but I have not taken off my makeup from yesterday. I haven't changed my clothes. I pretty much haven't done anything. I just came back home a few hours ago and I had to edit the podcast. I was supposed to be ready yesterday, but I didn't make it. So now it is 2:33. I have to start work at 4 p.m. so in an hour and a half. So yeah, I will go take off my makeup, have a shower, and then I'm gonna talk to you guys about what the 17th of May is, why we celebrate it in Norway, how a lot of Norwegians celebrate the day, and we're gonna go to work. This was supposed to be just a 17th of May vlog, but I'm just gonna vlog the rest of the week and so show you guys a little bit of what's been going on in my life lately. Don't be scared to keep it real, guys. We do look like this when we go out and come back the day after and don't take out our makeup, sir. Jesus. Hey, yeah. La 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 la. Guys, I just finished working at the cafe. I'm on my way to the library. We're doing a double shift today. Well, it's not a double shift if it's not 8 hours, but yeah, today's Friday, 2 days after the 17th of May. Worked here. I actually overslept, guys. I overslept and I came to work late, 45 minutes late, but the sleep was so good I can't even complain because like I felt great. I came here and I was singing and cleaning and dancing and everything, but it worked. Guys, I'm not gonna be one of those people that walk around with the logo. We're taking it off. Bye. Hi, Laila. Vi vet at det er deg. Det er ikke blitt
Hello, it's me.
Are you back?
Mary.
Is you married? Hi, Mary. How you doing?
Hello guys, it's Laila.
Happy Saturday. I just finished opening the cafe. I can't wait. Lila's back. So we had a little chat yesterday, you know, try to catch up on what's happening. Who do you like? Who do you don't like? But yeah, that's so fun. I got this t-shirt. I don't know if you guys can properly see the design. The first time I went to Lithuania with my mom and my siblings. And I've had it forever. I think that was in 2017 or 2018. But yeah, got my black coffee ready. So today I'm just gonna work. I might be meeting a friend after work, but I need to go shopping for gifts. Isaiah has his birthday tomorrow and his mom too, actually. So I need to get some birthday gifts. We're gonna be going to the sauna for her birthday and his birthday too will be. So yeah, guys, you guys need to help me find a gift. Just gotta wash the lens or wipe it. Alright, you guys need to help me find a gift because I don't know what boys want. I don't know what he wants. I don't know what she wants. Probably get a bottle of wine. I need to do that today if I'm gonna do that all. But yeah, for now we just drink coffee and work, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Make her come back again. Make her come back again. I give her like Hey I just got back from a jog and I got this package. It's been a minute since I haven't unboxed something. Like, this is exciting for me. It's a package from Cocoa Berry. Let me just open it. So guys, I got a green hoodie. Ooh, it's very green. In the size S. Okay, let's open it up. Let's open it. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at it. Look at it. Let's see. It's size S. It's small. But, okay, it goes like under the... Which is what I wanted. Let me just try. Okay. How about here? That's good. That's good. And also, guys, you guys know I'm out here to plug you guys on the good stuff. So I have a code. I'm going to leave my code here. You can use my code to get a discount. And I'm going to put the code in the description box. But yeah, check it out. Also, follow me on Instagram because I'm also going to be putting some codes there. I've been doing some brand deals lately. I just need to find time and get into it, guys. Okay? But yeah. Now... Also, you could either just get one thing or you could also get like a mystery box. I think I got the mystery box, which is why I have 2 items. And the mystery was this beanie. I can't wait for the winter. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I can't wait for the winter. You know when you buy new clothes or new stuff and you're just like motivated. Like I buy like workout clothes all the time. Because it keeps you motivated, guys. But anyway, we need to get ready. I'm going to go to the beach with Miss Ghana. Yeah. Var det? Guys, before I didn't know, okay, maybe I didn't know because we never did it before. I didn't know you can't put the banana in the fridge. So I've done it before. It died. It died. Laila!
I'm sorry, I'm sick to film.
Guys, we're trying to figure out how to know when the pomegranate is good. If you do this, listen.
Yeah, it's good.
Yep. 2, 3, 4. It gets on. Yay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on, come on, yeah. 10. Oh, she's gonna do it. 11 now. I bet you. 12. Oh no. 13, 14, 15. Oh, bravo! They're gonna throw us out. They're gonna throw us out. Laila, I'm resting, okay? I need to relax.
I'm exposing you.
Oh no!
Get out, Megan. Get out.
No!
Come with me. Come with me. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy.
Let me sleep.
You need to go out.
Let me sleep. I'll be right there. Guys, I am so tired. Like the shopping trip when we came back, I was able to make a reel on Instagram, but no, Laila and I just sat on the couch. Everyone was on the phone, just quiet. Quiet.
Relaxing.
Yeah, but we're gonna go to the store.
Yeah.
And get some few things, and we're gonna watch Avatar as a plan. It's 3 hours though, so. But yeah.
See ya.
I hope you guys had a good day. Oh shit.
Du är för sliten för det.
Ha det bra. Stay hydrated, kids. Drink some water. And watch a movie with your bestie. Ska vi laga en sån? Drink some water.
And drink water with a bestie. Yeah, cheers.
Cheers. Sätt till på. I told Lila I haven't tasted this and she's like, ka-choo.
It's my favorite.
Okay, this is the juiced monster. What does it taste like?
I think it's mixed with fruits and peach.
Okay.
So that det smakar mest, you can taste the peach.
Yes, let me taste. Cheers. Oh.
You love it?
Oh my god! I feel like every time I taste a new monster, I'm like, oh!
You see?
Girl, I'm finishing your
Oh
drink.
no. Give it back.
Okay, yeah. Lila's tasting this for maybe the second time. Let me just pause.
It's good.
You like?
It tastes pineapple.
It's nice, right?
I think this is
Okay, madam. Okay. We both tried it. It's movie time. Guys, the Sidemen. Guys, the Sidemen they're killing us. They're
20 women.
I love Young Philly. It's just it's such a good show. You guys should really check them out. The Sidemen, Young Philly, Darkest Man, Chunks, Harapanero. And Nella Rose too, and Adiola, they're killing it. I'm just like, I love making YouTube videos, but I love watching videos too, so it's crazy.
No, you can open them now.
Oh, okay.
What did you think I was gonna do?
Hello.
You're mad. I've got to be nice to us. The first time we've met, huh?
What's behind the chair?
Something, but that's for later. Just want to know.